Hi friends, did you know that there are just 6 basic spinal movements and 6 basic exercise patterns from which all exercises are evolved or originate? So all you need to do daily from a workout point of view is include these 6 basic spinal movements and 6 basic exercise patterns. So let me go through the spinal movements first. Spine, being the most important structural unit of the body, has 6 directions of movement. One is forward. The exact opposite of forward is a backward movement or a back bending of the spine. There is a lateral movement or sideward bending of the spine. There is an upward movement of the spine wherein you try to lengthen the spine. So we have forward, backward, lateral, upward. Then there is a twist movement as well for the spine wherein you try and go crisscross, so a twist movement. And last but not the least is an inversion movement wherein you completely reverse the blood flow and the direction of the spine. Your inversion is also your best anti-aging solution. So 6 movements of the spine: forward bending, backward bending, lateral bending, upward, twist, and inversion. Just like these, there are also 6 basic exercise patterns from which all exercises originate. First one, king of all exercises, squat. Second one is a push movement. Third one is a pull movement. The fourth one is a lunge or a step. It can be taken as one movement. Lunging and stepping is considered as one movement. Fourth movement is your bend movement. Fifth movement is your bend movement. And the sixth one is again your twist movement. So 6 basic exercise patterns: squat, push, pull, lunge or step, twist, and bend. Let us try and create a small basic workout involving all these patterns of movement. Alright, here goes. So the first exercise is a simple knee to chest. So try and pull your knee to your chest, exhale on exertion, inhale on return motion. Just go alternate, trying to push the knee close to the chest, exhale on exertion, inhale on return motion. The second exercise would be a lunge and a back bend. So you lunge forward and you bend back. Come behind, alternate leg, lunge forward and bend back. Backward bending of the spine. So this is a combination of lunge and back bend. The first exercise was a combination of pull, and also it opens your glutes and lower back, lengthening the spine. Alright. The third exercise would be your squat and shoulder press. So you keep your feet 1 foot distance apart, squat, and as you squat down, take your arms up and bring it down. So this is a combination of your overhead movement and your squat. So squat and up. The fourth exercise would be your lateral lunge and side bend. So you take a position in the center, go to one side, lunge on that side, and bend in the opposite direction. Similarly, go on the other side. So lunge and bend. So the leading leg is lunging and you're bending on the opposite direction. Okay. The next exercise would be your push exercise, which is a basic plank. You can do a full plank, or you can do a plank on the forearms, or you can also do a dynamic plank where you move from up to down. From this position, you can go into a side plank and into a reverse plank. So you observe that you try and use your body in a 360-degree pattern wherein you can try and be creative and inventive with your own exercises. Another one is a forward bending pattern, forward bending of the spine, and it also works your hamstrings. So it's a combination of bend movement on exercises and a forward movement of the forward bending of the spine. So you go alternate legs. Try and take both arms in line with your ears. Try to form the alphabet T. Alright? The last one, in case you are comfortable with these exercises, these are basic exercises. You can also try a backward bend which uses your core and glutes. So you take your arms up and you go back as much as you can. So each exercise can be done for a period of 45 to 60 seconds depending on your level. If you're a beginner, you can start with about 30 seconds. If you're intermediate, you can do about 45 seconds. And if you're advanced and if you're comfortable with these exercises, you can even go up to 60 seconds. Perform 1 to 3 sets, again depending on your level. So I would say probably 1 set per exercise for a beginner, 2 sets per exercise for an intermediate, and 3 sets per exercise for your advanced level. So try it at home and do let me know how it goes. Until then, stay fit.